Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael, and if you've got a recipe that calls for cake flour and you don't have enough, or you don't even have any at home and you don't want to run to the store to buy some, I'm going to show you today how to make it at home with 2 ingredients and a couple of tools, and it couldn't be any easier. All right, so let's start making our cake flour now. And so we're just going to go over the couple of tools that I've got here. If you've got a sifter like this, you can use that. Just put your flour in here and turn the crank and it will sift the ingredients together. If you've got one of these, you can use this, a couple of bowls, and you're set to go. So I've got 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I've got my sifter, and I'm going to go ahead and put that into my sifter here, and I'm just going to sift that to put some air in it. All right, so I got my flour sifted now. There it is there. And to make our cake flour, we need to take 2 tablespoons of our all-purpose flour out. So the reason I went on and fluffed it up is just to put a little bit of air in there, and just want to take out 2 tablespoons. All right, so there's my 2nd tablespoon. And now what we're going to use is I've got some cornstarch. So if you take out 2 tablespoons of your all-purpose flour, put in 2 tablespoons or 20 grams of cornstarch. And the flour was also 20 grams. If you don't have the tablespoon, you can measure out in grams. This is 20 grams, so just take 20 out of that. So here's my cornstarch that I've got now, and I'm going to sift that together into that just to put a little bit of air in it. All right, I've got that sifted now, and what you want to do to make sure that this gets really well incorporated is we want to sift this about 3 to 4 times. I'm going to do it 4 times today, and that's why I've got the second bowl here. I'm just going to take my ingredients, dump it back into the sieve, and then I'm going to sift it through another couple of more times till I get 3 or 4 times on that. All right, that was 1 time. Let's do it again. All right, that was my 4th time. I'm back to my original bowl now. This could not be any easier to do that. Cake flour is such a great addition to any cakes and any kind of baked goods. If you want to use it in muffins, cupcakes, you can definitely use it in anything. So if, like you said earlier, if you don't have cake flour at home, you can definitely make it this way. That is a cup of all-purpose flour. Take 2 tablespoons of it out. Add 2 tablespoons of your cornstarch in. Give it a good sift that it gets through all the way incorporated in there, so you get a nice, light, fluffy flour. And that is how you make cake flour. I hope you like this content, and if you do, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. And check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something that you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments section if you knew this hack with cake flour. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.